In this lecture, we will learn how to use chamfer command. Type CHA for chamfer command. Select chamfer. We can select distance from here or right click and select distance from here. Specify the first chamfer distance. Give 20 mm distance. Press enter. Then specify second chamfer distance. Give 15 mm distance. Press enter. Select first line and then select second line to give a chamfer between them. This is 20 mm and this is of 15 mm. Now select the chamfer command from here. Right click and select angle. First, specify the chamfer length. Give length of 10 mm. Press enter. Now specify angle. Give 30 degree of chamfer angle and press enter. Select first line and then select second line to give an angle chamfer between them. This will create a chamfer of 10 mm length at 30 degree angle. So this is the chamfer command in AutoCAD.